Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our rifle system, okay? So as you know that in our game assets we have this TPC folder in which we have the animations and the rifles, okay? And also the player controller. So let's first of all start by adding the shooting animations, okay? Set up the animator for the shooting. So right here create a pool by the name of pistol active, then create another pool by the name of rifle active, and then let's create a new blend tree. Move it right here, name this as shooting. Okay, go inside this blend tree, select it, and right here make this as 2D freeform directional. The first parameter will be horizontal, the second one will be vertical. Now let's add 4 motion fields. Okay, now in each of them we're going to provide a animation. So this shooting is for our rifle shooting. So if we go inside the shooter pack, okay, this is the shooting idle, then the run, this is the sprint, and this is walking. Okay, now first one we're going to add the idle, or you can say the aiming. So add that, then we need to add walking, then running, and then sprint. Now if we play this, now okay, this is messed up because right here make this 0 and this one is 0 as well. This one, change this one to 2, this one to 1, this one to 0.5, and then this one to 0. That's it. Now let's play it again. Okay, now as you can see player will be in idle, then the player will start walking. As you can see on 0.5 it will start walking, and 1 it will start running, and then on 2 it will start sprinting. Okay, now after this let's create another blend tree. Now this will be for our pistol, so name this as pistol, open it up and make this as 2D freeform directional, select horizontal then vertical, add 4 motion fields. Okay, make everything 0, make this 0, this one to 0.5, this one to 1, and this one to 2. Now let's add the pistol animations. So I think they are in the pistol pack. Here it is. We have the pistol idle, then the pistol run, walk, then the pistol run. Then for the sprint, we're gonna select the animation from our mail locomotion pack, which is the sprinting animation, this one, okay? So drag and drop this one in there. Now if we select it, play the animation. Okay, so as you can see, the player start walking, now running, and now the player starts sprinting. Okay, get back to the base layer now. Make a transition from movement to shooting, and from shooting back to movement. Select it, move as exact time, and in here select rifle active true, and in the other one remove that and select rifle active false. Then make it from shooting to pistol, and from pistol back to shooting. In the first one, remove the as exact time, and right here set the rifle active to false and then the pistol active to true. Then select the other one, remove that and add two conditions. The first one will be rifle active true and then pistol active false. Okay, then make a transition from movement to pistol and from pistol back to movement. And in this, select pistol active, set it to true, and select the other one, remove that and set pistol active to false. That is it. Now as you can see, the animations are set up. So let's start the game. Okay, here is our player. Let's click on animator, set pistol active true. Now as you can see, the player is playing the animations perfectly fine, as you can see. Now let's make the pistol false, rifle true. Now this is the rifle, as you can see. The player can also jump as well. Okay, now we need to set up the rifles and the pistols in the player hand. So for that, open up the player first of all like this. Go inside the right shoulder, right arm, right forearm and go in here. So in this we gonna add the rifles. Okay, so let's add the M16, drag and drop it in there, then the AKM. So we can actually add their prefabs. So let's add the AKM, then the M16, then we have the pistol, so add the pistol as well. Now let's first of all set up the pistol in the player hand. So deactivate the AKM and M16. Let's start the game. Okay, click on animator, set the pistol active to true. Now here is the pistol. So what we're gonna do, double click on it, and now let's rotate it like this. So make this 0 and this minus 90, 130, 140. Okay, so make this 140 the Z rotation of the pistol. Then let's move it in there like that. Okay, in the player hands. Okay, let's check it from here. Okay, the pistol looks good. But we just have to move it a little bit straight like that. And then move it inside in the player hands. The player is shaking. Okay, like this. Now if you check it out, here it is. Okay, it looks good in the player hand now. So the pistol is added. Now before stopping the game, click on copy component twice, close the game, select pistol and click on this and paste component values. That's it. Then if you play the game again, As you can see, the pistol is looking good in the player hands. Okay, after this, now let's set up the M16. So set the rifle active to true, start the game. Right, here it is. Let's change into scene view, select the rifle. Let's rotate it like this. Then on this side, make sure it is fully straight like that. So make this minus 180, no, 150. Make this 22 and make this minus 220. Nope. Okay, 220 is good, but we need to move it a little bit like this. And then let's put it in the player hands. So select the rifle. Turn off the gizmos. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's check it out. It looks good in the player hand, as you can see. Okay, so now let's click on the rifle again. Click on copy component. Stop the game and click on paste component values. That's it. Now we can disable this and enable the AKM. Let's click on paste component values on this one as well. And let's check it out. How does the AKM looks? Okay, so it looks good, but we need to set it up a little bit. Okay, we just have to move it down a little bit like that. Okay, move it down and move it backward like that. Okay, check the game. Looks good. Click on AKM, copy the component, stop the game, and then click on paste component values, and that will be it. Now with our animations and rifles added, in the next video we will work on our shooting controller.